What do you tell Briley? Good job. So thank you, Briley. Let her hand them to you. And say thank you, Briley.
Thank you, Briley. I put here. Thank you.
Wait till she hands them to you, okay? And say thank you.
Briley.
I feel bad saying it, but I think on Thursday we mandate that we can wear Captain Pumpkin over there.
Mommy,
Yes,
I
baby.
go put my just a tray and shirt on and go trick-or-treating.
No, we're done going trick-or-treating, baby. Next year we can go trick-or-treating.
You take pictures of them?
But we see more
Are you
her.
taking pictures of them or you take
Oh no!
That's awesome, little girl. Yeah.
Hey, don't take it from her. Wait till she hands it to you.
Yeah.
Okay?
It's not very nice to take stuff.
No, wait till she hands it to you. She might want to play with it too.
Let's go.
There. You say thank you, Briley.
Good job, Carter.
Let's give me some more.
You ask her, say Briley, can I have some more?
Some more, Brian.
What do you say?
Thank
She got you covered there. Did you say thank you?
Say silly Briley. She did really good.
Aww.
Alright, you can ask for some more.
Some more, Riley.
Please.
Please.
Can you get Carter some more blocks?
Don't take it from her. Oh no.
Oh no. Not again.
Just like this one looks pretty tasty.
Give that one back to her. She was still playing with it. Can you give it back to her? Nope.
I mean, that's not part of my vocabulary.
Give it back to her.
Give her back the piece, buddy.
Nope. Give it back to her. Say, here you go, Briley. No. Pick it up.
Nice, bud.
Briley's like, I'll find it.
I got this. I got this, bro.
Carter, put it back. Put it back. She's wanting to play with them too, okay? So you need to stop taking them from her because she's playing too. If she hands them, you can take them. You say thank you.
Thank you, Riley.
You did do that. Good job, Briley. Oops.
You give that away a little forceful there, little girl. A little bit forceful. She's trying to throw it in
She
here again.
is.
So, Mom, I got this. Got this, Mom. Carter.
Gentle.
Nice.
Gentle, gentle. Okay. She's learning how to build. She thinks you can build really well.
Yeah.
Oh, you missed there, Brian. Try again.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. I guess we just rebuild it, buddy. Right? Build it better.
Bobby, push it down.
She was trying to build too. She was trying to get her block on there.
Yeah.
She just hasn't. She's not quite as good as you are at building. Can you say it's okay, Briley?
So this is awesome.